Compost your tasks. Now, one of the things when I run workshops is we talk about to-do lists and how they can be a very positive tool and also how they can also be overwhelming. And sometimes it's very difficult when you have lots of ideas, lots of things you want to do, but realistically know you're not going to get round to it for the foreseeable, for months, even years. The tough thing is, particularly when you think, oh, it's a great idea and I'd love to get round to it, is letting it go. So rather than ditching it, deleting it, binning it, why not create a list called compost? Why not create a compost heap for those tasks? Those tasks and things that you're not going to get around to for the next week, the next few months or even years, and put them into the compost heap. You can go back and check that and see what's manifested in the compost heap, but you're not actually letting it go. It will be there for future reference. So what can you move from your to-do list to your compost heap to shrink that to-do list down?
Make the Daily Sprout part of your daily routine. Sign up at dailysprout.net and claim your free ebook, Emergency Stress CPR, My 6 Steps to Putting Stress in Its Place.